y'all, thanks for joining us here at Somerset Place. We're continuing our series about the site's restoration and archaeological projects. After Somerset opened as a state historic site in 1969, restoration work languished. One of the most notable results was the slow overgrowth of the lakeshore. The historic buildings in the owner's compound and the enslaved community were built on the highest ground close to the water. However, the north shore of Lake Phelps has been receding since the 1920s or 1930s, resulting in a grassy and silted marsh extending over 500 feet from the Collins home. Workers cut the lakeshore during William Tarleton's restoration project in the 1950s, but over the ensuing decades, a growing jungle of underbrush and trees overtook the shoreline. By the 1980s, the overgrowth was so extensive that visitors could no longer see the lake from Somerset Place, making it hard for them to understand its importance to the plantation. Consequently, the site's newly established nonprofit support group, the Somerset Place Foundation Incorporated, lobbied for the land to be cleared. State Representative Howard Chapin, also a board member, quote, was instrumental in helping to obtain permission from state parks to clear the area, according to the Roanoke Beacon. In July 1989, contractors removed the overgrowth in front of the owner's compound, restoring the historic viewshed. Interpreters can now easily explain the role that Lake Phelps played in the settlement, development, and maintenance of the plantation. And you can enjoy that view today when you come visit our site. We're open Tuesday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and offer guided tours upon request at the Visitor Center, with the last tour beginning no later than 3:30 p.m. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.